Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to earn reward with Uber Eats. In order to earn rewards with Uber Eats, you need to follow the steps. Now, there are different ways where you could actually earn rewards with Uber Eats. Now, this includes delivery. Now, you can earn points for each delivery with more point for deliveries that during lunch and dinner hours. You can also unlock more reward by maintaining a high satisfaction rating with customers and restaurants. Now, points and status are measured monthly, and you can start enjoying new reward as soon as you earn enough points to unlock them. You could also earn reward by linking your account. So you could link your Uber Eats account with Marriott Bonvoy to earn points or qualify orders and rides. Earning restaurant reward, that is, you can earn reward like $15 off a further order by placing multiple order at a participating merchant. You can check the app to see what reward and merchant has customized you for. Apart from it, using promo code also can get you a certain amount of reward and benefits with Uber Eats. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.